So in this video, I want to quickly show you how the dithering looks up close because I've got a macro lens. So we'll focus on this tree area here, and this is about a 1 foot distance, and this is the Bluminate. I believe it's an AI generated image from Bluminate, and then you can see it also on the reflection frame here. So we'll get a little zoom in of this area, and you can see the difference hopefully. So that's the 1 foot test, and now we're going to zoom in. Here's a quick zoom in, so you can see the dithering on the trees. There's a bit of red introduced there, and then some white on the outline. And then you'll notice the bush here. I think that has the biggest difference on the other panel. You can see the flowers. Perhaps I'll do a side-by-side split so you can see the differences between the two. But basically they're using different algorithms, and then you can see what they end up looking like on the actual panel on the macro lens here. Now here you'll see there's much less red in the tree, but there is still a little bit, and this is on the Bluminate. The last one was the reflection frame, but the patterns for the bushes are a little different, and the flowers as well. And now we're back zoomed out. So that's just a quick example of the dithering if you wanted to see a little bit closer. I'll post a short of it too. I am working on a specific video for dithering algorithms, so I'll put that up here when it's done. I'm going to do some more research into that. And then here you can check out my first impressions of spectra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.